how to add MidJourney to Discord server. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open your MidJourney, open your Discord app and log into that and click on the text server icon from here. On the server settings, you just have to click on the app directory from here, and after that you just have to simply click on the search bar and search for MidJourney. And after pressing enter, you can see the MidJourney bot. That's the official MidJourney bot for Discord, and you just have to simply click on add app and click on add to server, and then you just have to select which server you want to add the bot. And I am just selecting the test server and clicking on continue, and you just have to give all the permission it needs and click on authorize. And after authorizing, you just have to simply do a captcha verification, and after that you can see success, MidJourney bot has authorized and added to the test server. And if you click on the go to test server, and as you can see, the MidJourney bot is added successfully. So now to activate the bot, you just have to click on slash and type in imagine, and after typing in imagine, you just write anything on the prompt and it will give you the results. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.